today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Expel Tea Tree Facial Toner, which is from the Expel Body Care brand. And this is it. This is a 200 ml facial toner. The major ingredient here, as it is written here, is tea tree. All right. Now, the essence of this toner is simply to soothe, calm, and cleanse the skin. It is written boldly here: soothe, calm, and cleanse the skin. Now, I've been using this toner for the past 3 months now, and I was like, okay, let me make a review of it in case of person who would want to use the toner. Now, let's break down the ingredient list. Now, from here we have the aqua. Okay, now I'm not going to be explaining all the ingredients here, of course, right? We are just going to be concentrating just on the major ingredients in this product. Now, the first here is aqua. Now, aqua is simply water. We have propylene glycol. Now, propylene glycol, what it majorly does is simply to cleanse, hydrate the skin. Okay, it is somehow similar, or let's say it is similar to propanediol. If you know propanediol, it is somehow similar to it, and I think propanediol is actually the natural form of it, I think so. So what it majorly does is to hydrate and cleanse your skin, and it is also non-comedogenic, this propylene glycol. Okay, so it's not going to clog your pores. Okay, now the next ingredient here is diglycerin. Now, diglycerin is just two molecules of glycerin. That di this is chemistry. That di there simply means two, and glycerin, as we know, is a humectant that attracts water to the skin. So diglycerin simply means two molecules of glycerin. So two molecules of glycerin is diglycerin. Okay, if that makes two bonded molecules. Now, the next ingredient here, we have trehalose. Now, trehalose simply helps to hydrate the skin. We have other ingredients. Okay, we have sodium hyaluronate. Now, this sodium hyaluronate is a salt form of hyaluronic acid, and we know what hyaluronic acid does: to hydrate the skin. Okay, to attract water to the skin. So now, this sodium hyaluronate is simply, let me use the word smaller molecules, if that makes sense, of hyaluronic acid, in the sense that it is going to penetrate your skin easily than hyaluronic acid. But they are both the same thing. They are both, they do basically the same job, which is to hydrate your skin. Now, here we have tea tree. Now, this tea tree, although it's not even among the top five, even this sodium hyaluronate is not among the top five, but still it's still among the ingredient list, right? Now, this tea tree, it is the fourth to the last ingredient here. And if you know um how ingredient lists are written, you will realize that ingredients that are more active in a product are always listed in the top 5 or top 10. Okay, but this tea tree is not in the top 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not among the top 10. So I'm going to be sincere. Your skin might necessarily not experience the goodness that comes from tea tree from this product, because according to the ingredient list, it is not in any way among the major ingredients. Okay, so I feel the tea tree here is probably written just for that marketing strategy. I don't know if you understand. You get, in order to attract patronage from customers, something like that. But tea tree as an ingredient is actually antimicrobial. Okay, if you have an acne prone skin, tea tree is actually a wonderful ingredient for your skin. Now, we have allantoin. Now, allantoin helps to soothe the skin, calm the skin. That is exactly what is written here: soothe, calm, and cleanse the skin. So allantoin here basically is going to help soothe, calm your skin, while the propylene glycol in this product is going to do cleansing that cleansing on your skin. So, for me, This product is more of a hydrating product. Now I use this product morning and night, and I still get acne flare-ups. Just know that your skin might not experience that tea tree benefits. That's just the truth. I will say the truth. Okay. Now, this is a 200 ml, and this product should be able to last you for 4 to 5 months if you use it every single day, morning and night. Because I do so, and I am 3 months gone already, and I still have this much left. Okay, so for the packaging, I feel the packaging is okay for the price. Honestly, the price is 4,000 naira. I still have the price tag here, so the price is 4,000 naira, and to me, I feel the packaging is okay. It's okay for the price. Then this is how it comes. This is how it comes. Now, when you shake this, you are going to experience um tiny bubbles like fumes. Now, does it have any smell? Mm, it has, should I call it a fragrance or is it alcohol? I think it's alcohol actually, because here we have phenoxyethanol, and ethanol is alcohol, right? I'm not sure. My chemistry classes, I'm not really sure, but I feel ethanol is alcohol. Trust me, the smell is not choking. It's not. It's any skin type can use this. It's not something overwhelming at all, okay? So don't worry, any skin type can use this. So let's check for the consistency of the product. Mm. It's just like water, basically. It's just like water, like water. It's just like water. There is nothing so complicated about the product, okay? And it's something that absorbs into the skin. So now some persons complain that this product got them darker, and in all sincerity, I feel maybe it could be because of the tea tree content, yes, because tea tree actually has the possibility of making your skin sensitive to the sun. Even though we don't even have much tea tree oil in this, but at least it contains tea tree. So that could just be the reason your skin is getting darker. So if you have this in your routine, make sure that you have a sunscreen. Make sure you use your sunscreen. So like I said earlier, anybody can use this product. If you have a damaged skin barrier, if you have a sensitive skin, the smell in it is not overpowering at all. Oily, dry, because it is very hydrating. Combination normal, any skin type can use this. Okay, I don't even think it is something so special for oily skin, even though they did not say anywhere specifically that it is for oily skin, but oily skin tends to benefit more from tea tree. Okay, but according to the ingredient list, any skin type can use this. Whether you have acne or you do not have acne, your skin is going to benefit from it. Okay, so if you want a hydrating yet budget friendly toner, this could also be an option for you. All right, so if you have any questions to ask, or if you have any experiences you would want to share with me or with us, kindly let us know in the comment section. Just drop your experience in the comment section and I'll do all to reply. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.